Question number 4. The diameter of the roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move 1 hour to the level playground. Find the area of the playground in meters square. Let's start the solution. The roller is the shape of cylindrical. So the diameter of the cylinder is 84. The radius is a half of this, and the length is h is a 120 centimeter. So area level in the 1 revolutions to means we have to find the curved surface area of cylinder. So area level in 1 revolution, that is equal to 2 pi RH. In that case, we will take the curved surface area of cylinder. Put all the values. Radius is half of this diameter. Diameter is 84. Then the radius is 42. H is a 120 centimeters square. Multiply all the number, and we get 31680 centimeters square. Now we have to find the area of the ground. Area level in 500 revolution, that is equal to the area of the ground. Now area level in 500 revolution, that is equal to area of ground. In 1 revolution, the area cover is 31680. In the 500, we will multiply. Then we get 1384000 centimeter square. Now we have to convert centimeter to in meter square. Find the area of the playground in meter square. So we convert centimeter to in meter. We divide by 10,000. At the last we get 1384 meter square. The area of the playground is 1384 meter square. Now 5th question is cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Curved surface area of the pillar, that is the pillar in the curved surface area. Curved surface area of pillar. Pillar is the shape of cylindrical. So the curved surface area of pillar is 2 pi RH. Here is a diameter is a 50 centimeter, means radius is 25 centimeter, but radius 25 centimeter converting to meter is 25 upon 100 meter. So put this value, and the height is already in the meter, that is a 3.5 meter. Put this value in this formula, 2 into 22 by 7, and R is 25 by 100 and the H is a 3.5. When we multiply all this, then we get 5.5 meter square. Now the cost of painting. Cost of painting 1 meter square is rupees 12.50. Then cost of painting 5.5 meter square. Multiply. We use a unitary method. Is rupees 68.75. Sixth question of exercise 13.2. Curved surface area of right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square if the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter. Find its height. In that question, the surface area is already given and the base is also, radius of the base is already given, and we have to find the height of cylinder. Let's start the solution. Curved surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 4.4 meters square. As we know that the formula of the curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH is equal to 4.4. H of the cylinder is, we have to find, and the radius is 0.7, that is a given. Pi is a 22 by 7. R, in the place of R we will put 0.7, and H, place of H we will write H, that is equal to 4.4. Solve it. Remove the points. Then we have to find the value of H. The other value will be multiply or divide. If it is a multiply, in the other side it will be divide. If it is a divide, in the other side it will be multiply. This is a 10, divide inside, multiply this side. 2 into 22 means 44. Multiply in this side, it will be divide. H is equal to 1 meter. So H is equal to 1 meter. That is your answer. This thing we have to find. Now question number 7. The inner diameter of the circular valve is 3.5 centimeter. If the diameter is a 3.5, then the radius is a 3.5 by 2. If it is a 10 meter deep, means the height of the valve is a 10 meter. Find the inner curved surface area of valve and the cost of the plastering the curved surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. The first, what is we have to find? Inner curved surface area, and the valve is the shape of the cylindrical shape. So the inner curved surface area of the cylinder is a 2 pi RH. So inner curved surface area of the valve is also 2 pi RH. That is equal to 2 pi RH. R is a 3.5 by 2 means 35 by 20, and the H is a 10. R is 3.5 by 2 means 35 by 20, and the H is 10 meter. Put all the values in the formula. 2 into 22 by 7. R is 35 by 20 and H is a 10, is a 5 and 2. What is left? 110 meter square. The inner curved surface area is a 110 meter square. Now the cost of plastering the curved surface area. The second part is cost of plastering 1 meter square, that is equal to rupees 40. Cost of plastering 110 meter square, multiply 40 into 110, that is equal to rupees 4400. So this is question number 6 and 7.